Then, lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Ayan, lagyan ng sesame seeds. And, ayan. Hi guys, Cebuana is here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how I cook this eggplant salad. Very simple and very easy, guys. And then this is my ingredients. The eggplant, I'll cut into half and wash it already. And of course, I have scallions. I chopped scallions here, and garlic, and sesame seeds. And you need vinegar and sesame oil and soy sauce and the green chili. Green chili, not green chili, red chili pepper. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin is I have to, first procedure guys is we have to steam this eggplant here. Ayan, boiled na siya. Ilagay natin dito sa ating pot ang ating eggplant. And let's steam this one. And let's steam this in 5 minutes. Steam lang natin siya ng very high heat. And 5 minutes. And let's cover. Okay. Steam na eggplant. Now guys, while waiting our steam eggplant, let's mix our sauce. First, ilagay natin yung ating garlic. Let's put the garlic here. And the scallions. And the red chili. Ayan, damihan niyo para maanghang na konti. Like that. And of course, let's put the and let's add the vinegar. 1 spoon of vinegar. And then let's add a little bit of dark soy sauce. And sesame oil. Okay. And a little bit of sugar. Half spoon of sugar. And let's mix this one. Just mix it. Ganyan na siya kasimple guys. Lagyan natin ng chili kasi mahilig yung maanghang kung isa eh. Tapos, antayin na lang natin yung ating ini-steam na eggplant para dito natin siya ilagay mamaya. Okay, that's it. Sauce is done. Ayan, and let's add also salt guys. Ayan, kasi yung ano natin, marami kasi yung ating eggplant kaya lagyan natin siya ng salt. Ayan. Let's check natin yung ating eggplant. Pusokin lang siya guys, oh. You have to do this like that lang. Ayan, pwede na siya guys. So, pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Done. Let's turn off our heat. And now guys, ayan, nahango na natin. Ganyan lang ating gagawin. Mainit siya guys. Kailangan mayroon kayo malamig na tubig dito. Ayan lang siya. Ayan, lagay nyo lang siya dyan. Medyo mainit kaya kailangan mayroon kayo malamig na tubig sa tabi nyo. Kasi ano pa siya eh. Tatanggal lang natin siya sa steamer. Ayan. Mainit. Ganun lang ang gagawin. Ayan, linod nyo lang siya dyan. Ayan. Just like that. So here guys, I already done. Ayan. Nahati-hati ko na siya in maliliit, kaya i-mix na natin siya. You have to mix this one. Just mix it lang. Ang bango guys, grabe. Sobrang bango. Ayan. Ang bango niya. Mix na natin and then lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Ayan, lagyan ng sesame seeds. And ayan. Ang bango. Ang grabe, ang bango guys. Ayan siya. Done. And tikman natin. Tama-tama lang yung lasa. Manghang. At saka ang bango. Yummy.